Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video we're going to be discussing building a personal brand using Facebook, advertising yourself as an authority in your niche. Now, as Facebook is the most popular social network out there, you can leverage Facebook to build a huge brand. Now, you're going to need a good profile photo and a cover photo. Now, your cover photo, it can either be a picture of a beautiful landscape where you've been travelling, for example, highlighting your success online, or you can use a business logo for personal branding. Now, you're going to need to update your featured section right here, add in your business information, your personal details. You want to advertise yourself as an affiliate marketer, so you're making sure that you're seen as an authority in your niche. Now, you need to be adding quality pictures, posting on your profile, adding motivational quotes to your timeline also. Now, to be successful online, you need to be constantly using Facebook online. You need to be posting on a daily basis, because if you're not engaging on a daily basis, you're not going to build a big brand. Whether it's photos, quotes, or videos, just make sure that it's all related to your personal brand. So whatever you're sharing online, make sure that it's related to your business. You also need to be constantly engaging with your community. So, for example, if someone leaves a comment on your post, you want to make sure that you respond to them. If someone messages you, again, open up that message and respond to it. Participate in groups, participate in the community that you're engaging. There are other groups in your niche. Make sure you're engaging with these groups as well. Help those people out. Offer them tips. That's going to encourage them to join your group or page as well. Now, if you're comfortable enough to create live videos on Facebook, then this is a fantastic way to create a big following as well, as Facebook lets you know when someone is doing a Facebook Live, and it tells everyone to check this person out. So guys, if you start to implement these things, you will start to build a bigger personal brand using Facebook.